Guys, Richard Constable here, and today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your domain in Clickfunnels. So once you've logged in, you just go up to the top right and hit Account Settings. You then flow down to Domains on the left and then press Add New Domain. Okay, so there's two ways you can do it. You can buy one through Clickfunnels, which is, you wouldn't have to connect it with something else. So you just type in, your awesome site123.com, and then you just click the $20 sign, and then you go ahead and pay. Okay, pretty simple, and then it just connects it all for you. The other method is connecting an existing domain. So I do recommend doing this just because if you're tied into Clickfunnels with this domain and you want to leave Clickfunnels one day, then you have to kind of untie yourself from it. It's not impossible, it's not the end of the world, but it might be easier if you've just got a domain that's separate from any software, and then you can just run that, separately. So use an existing domain, you can click that, go ahead and purchase that on wherever, Bluehost, Namecheap, GoDaddy, whatever it is, and then you just type it in here and you press Add Domain. Then it asks you to connect it. So basically Clickfunnels needs to talk to whatever business you've bought your domain from. So I'm going to show you how to do it in GoDaddy, but there's lots of different ways. So if you click detailed instructions, you can comes to this, and then there's a whole load of the big companies. They show you how to connect it. Okay. If you still can't find it, you can just type in Namecheap DNS settings, and they'll always have an article for you, and you can just go ahead and follow that. Okay, they never make it particularly complicated. This seems slightly more complicated than GoDaddy, but as long as you follow it, you'll be fine. Okay, so find the one that's ready for you, right for you, sorry. I'll just quickly show you the GoDaddy thing and just make it really clear that it's super simple. So you just go into GoDaddy and you go to Domains. I think at the start it says Products up here. Yep, so when you log in it says My Products at the top, so you just navigate down to whatever products you want to add the DNS settings to, and then on the right it says DNS, so you just click that. Then you just press Add. Okay, Add on the right. Choose an option. So it says here, you're going to be adding a C name. Okay, so it all sounds very technical and complicated, but it's just very much like click this, put that in there. It's don't think about the words too much. They're just like, technical jargon. And then it says record that points www. So you just copy that into the name. There's even a little guide here, e.g. www or mail, if you're connecting an email responder. And then you copy that target.clickfunnels.com. So you don't bother with the @ just a little bit. There you go. And then you press Add Record. So I've already added this, so I'm not going to add it again. And then once you've done that, you just press I've done this step. So there might be an error because I've already added this in, but I'll just see if there's an error. Just let me click this. Yeah, it doesn't like that. It's already been added. Let me go back and just show you a couple other things. So once you've done it, it should take you back here, and then on the right hand side, I would recommend just hitting the 3 dots, okay? Because to start with, it will say unverified, okay? Just click the 3 dots and press edit. Then I have all this stuff, so I'd recommend expanding and connecting it to whatever funnel that you've built, so that if someone puts powertothefunnel.com, it'll automatically send them to a particular page. Otherwise, it'll just send them to Clickfunnels. So recommend doing that. Same with the 404 error page, just recommend sending them to a particular page. If you want to add a Facebook conversion pixel, you can add it in here. Domain forwarding, if you need to forward on to another domain. Okay, Edit zone records. Don't really need to do that. You can only edit DNS records for domains that you purchase via ClickFunnels. Okay. SSL. This is the important one. I think it does it automatically now, where before you'd have to come down here and there would be a little button saying verify or something to that effect, and you would just click that button. But the last time I added a domain, it just seemed to do it automatically, so you don't need to worry about that. But this is really important. This is the lock that you see in the top left in the URL bar. If that isn't there, then it basically tells Google Chrome and all the big browsers that you're not a secure website, and so it might come up with a massive error page. So this way it just makes it look a bit more secure, a bit more strong. Okay, and that's it. So obviously there's quite a few random technical things to set up in ClickFunnels when you get started. I do have an A to Z ClickFunnels course just underneath here for free, so you can go ahead and sign up for that if you like. And also, if you're not really sure how to kind of start your business, or start your next funnel, or start your first funnel, whatever it is, then ClickFunnels do this really great challenge called the One Funnel Away Challenge. And essentially it's 30 days of missions that you go through. Really, really epic. Even if you were just watching it and not implementing, it's still really interesting and much better than watching Netflix, in my opinion. But with the One Funnel Away Challenge, they give away about $3,000 of bonuses and things like that. So, all for $100, so it's basically nothing compared to what you actually get. And then if you want to sign up via my link underneath the video, then I've got some extra bonuses on top of all of those for $1,600 worth of bonuses you get for free. So we give you the A to Z ClickFunnels course. We give you the share funnel that I'm sending to you just underneath, which you can just plug and play straight away. So if you want to be an affiliate for ClickFunnels and you want to take the challenge and you don't have a product, you're not sure what to sell, then you can sell ClickFunnels, and you can just go ahead and plug and play that share funnel because it's really, really nice. And then also a blockbuster call with myself or one of my team. And essentially in that call, we'll kind of go through, anything that you want to chat about, what kind of products you could sell. And, we might come up with some strategies to help you before you start the challenge. Challenges start every couple of weeks, so it just depends when you get in there. So thanks for watching. Richard Constable, I hope you've had a good day. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, take care. Bye.